classroom has trained you not only to think critically, but to question everything, including research instruments, statistical results, and occasionally your own life choice at 12 a.m. while finishing your papers. In an era dominated by artificial intelligence, remember this: AI can only generate data. They can detect patterns and even help draft manuscripts. But it still cannot replace ethical judgment, wisdom, and human compassion. It cannot defend your methodology during an oral defense. Lord, it can explain to your family why
Kuya.
you were almost done with your manuscript. May I request all the families and loved ones to please stand. Requesting all the families and loved ones, yung mga nasa teachers po, at saka yung mga nasa likuran po, to please stand. To our families and loved ones, thank you for your patience and unwavering support to your loved ones. You have actually endured postponed weekends, missed gatherings, and conversations that mysteriously turned into discussions about the frameworks, variables, and deadlines of everything. This degree belongs to you as much as it does to our graduates. So mga graduates, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga parents as well as our campus. Thank you very much po. To our faculty members, I request also our faculty members, of course with our beloved dean. Okay. Your mentorship shaped these graduates into thinkers, researchers, and leaders. You taught them that in a graduate school, feedback is a gift. Even when it comes back covered in a red ink and accompanied by the words, please revise. Okay, so thank you very much to our faculty members, our professors, and also to our dean. And of course, to our graduates. I request all our graduates to please stand. Okay. So as you step into an AI-driven future,